Hello, families! We're so excited to have our virtual open house on Wednesday, October 28th, starting at 5 p.m. So it's time. You're going to go to your Gmail or your email and you're going to open up the message that says SHMS Back to School Night, Google Meet Class Codes. When you open up that email, you're going to get a file that looks something like this. That will have all of the teachers that are linked to their Google Meets. So how does this work? Well, first we need to get our student schedule to see which meets that we need to join. Once we figure out the teachers' names, then we find it on the sheet on the left-hand side. Once we find the teacher, we hover over it and find the meet and click on the meet. We'll click on it and wait for the teacher to accept our request to join. And then we'll continue to the next class and so on. We'll do 1x at 5 o'clock, 2x at 5:20, 3x at 5:40, 4x at 6 o'clock, 1y at 6:20, 2y at 6:40, 3y at 7 o'clock, and 4y at 7:20, ending around 7:35. This gives 15 minutes with each teacher and 5 minutes in between to find the next class. The XY schedules for science and social studies will be seen during the first 4 periods. So your 1x, 2x, 3x, and 4x will be the 1xy, 2xy, 3xy, and 4xy. So let's go to our Timberwolf student schedule sample. This student has Spanish during their 1X with Miss Rivera. So what we're going to do is we're going to find her on the list and we're going to click on it and we're going to open up that meet. When we get there, we're going to join once we're able to. Hello! Our 2X is geography with Miss Smith. So since this is an XY class, during the next period, we'll actually have a couple minutes off. So let's go and find Miss Smith. So I might have to scroll down a little bit, and then I'll find Miss Smith. Now notice there's a couple of Smiths, so we have to make sure we have the right one. K. Smith, 6th, 7th, and 8th Social Studies. That's the one I need. So I'll click on that meet. Our 3X is Math with Miss Katanis. So now I need to go back and look for Miss Katanis. There she is. Now click on her meet, and so forth. So I would follow that schedule. 4X, I'm going to go to find Miss Piston for PE. There she is, right there. And then I'm going to go to 1Y, Creative Writing with Miss Coriel. So I'll find Miss Coriel. There she is. Then I need to find Miss Irby, and so forth. If you have any questions, please ask. If you would like to meet with a counselor, you're going to click on the words below the request to talk to a counseling department. This will take you to a form. And in the form, you'll just put your name, your first name, your last name, your student's first name, your student's last name, the grade level or the records request. So if you want information on records, you would select records. If your child is in 7th grade, you're going to select 7th grade. You're going to put a good email address that they can email you back. And put your phone number that they can contact you. And then just a heads up so they have an idea of what your question or request is. And then you'll click Submit. If you have a tech problem, you're going to click on the Tech Issues with Groover and Petishnock. And one of us will try to help you. We're looking forward to seeing you at the virtual open house. Remember, it starts at 5 p.m. See you then.